This is 393 Cumberland Street, a beautiful two-bedroom apartment in prime Fort Greene. Located on the same block as the Lafayette subway station and close proximity to all of the subway lines available at Atlantic Avenue Barclay station, this apartment is so convenient. As we approach the entrance to this apartment, the unit is on the second floor. Walking in now, we are greeted by an entrance to the kitchen and the living room. Walking into the living room, a really nice size room. Looking out of the windows, you see the park and great sun coming in all day long. Looking at the living room from another angle, you can see some extra space where you can put a desk and the opening between the kitchen and living room with a breakfast bar for seating. Entering the newly renovated kitchen, there are stainless steel appliances, there is a dishwasher, high quality stone countertops, beautiful flooring and backsplash, and of course that grand view into the living room with beautiful sunlight. Entering further, there's a closet on the left, there's also a closet on the right. This closet, as you can see, has great shelving built in throughout, and here we have a Nest Smart thermostat. Continuing further into the apartment, we have the bathroom, also renovated and now features a brand new vanity. Heading towards the master bedroom, there's a walk-in closet in this room. There's a light that you can control with a switch outside the closet, and the bedroom itself, which is over 16 feet by 10 feet big, can fit any sized bed. Entering the second bedroom now, there's also a closet and a window in this true second bedroom. Another great sized bedroom measuring 16 feet by 8.5 feet. Also nice to note is that this window faces the back of the buildings and there is great sun coming in as well. And there you have it, 393 Cumberland Street, apartment number 2, a beautiful 2-bedroom in the heart of Fort Greene.